guys, what's up? I've got some exciting news. I won a photo contest through 1-800-CONTACTS. Shout out to you guys, 1-800-CONTACTS. My prize package just came in the mail, so we're gonna unbox it and take you along through the journey of unboxing the prize. Let's check it out. First, I just want to say this box came in on a one-day shipping. They DM'd me and they were like, yo, what's your address? You should get it in like 2 days, maybe 3, possibly. And it came the next day, so just want you guys to know that was so cool. So thank you so much to your team. If you guys are ever thinking about ordering contacts, you definitely should do it through them. No ad intended. I literally just love buying from them. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait, look how cute this is. First things first, we've got this $50 gift card. Thank you so much. Looks like we've got a blue Camelback backpack, and it's got its own little contact case, which is so cool. Love that. Gonna be using this on the trail. As you guys know, I love hiking so much, so this will be a perfect way to stay hydrated. And we've got a double hammock. What? Any adventure friends that you want to go hammocking, this can fit too, so hit me up. This is going to be awesome. I can't wait. So thank you so much. Lastly, looks like we've got, some extra straps for the hammock. Solid. This is going to be perfect. Thank you guys so much for this prize package. It's going to be the perfect way to start my summer. You guys know I love hiking and adventuring, and so I couldn't have asked for a better gift. Thank you, 1-800-CONTACTS. If you guys need someone to order your contacts through, they're the ones. You got to hit them up. Their team, their customer service, everything about them is just always great. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope you enjoyed watching this. I'm going to go open my hammock and try it out. So I'll catch you guys later. See ya.